Hello friends, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to integrate the Quill WYSIWYG rich text editor inside the browser using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So it's a simple WYSIWYG editor where you can select the text, you can make all these customizations, underline, bold, italic. You can even embed images as well. You will see that you can create underlines. You will see it's having all these controls available to you. You can change the font as well, alignment of the text as well in the center position. So all these controls are available for you. So it's a WYSIWYG rich text editor, and you can even embed images, videos, all this stuff. So that library is Quill, Quill. So if you just write this on Google, this is actually the WYSIWYG rich text editor. So they have their own website as well. So you can see this is a powerful rich text editor, and we will be including this CDN. Using this CDN, we will include this. So just create a simple index.html file and just include first of all its CDN, the CSS and the JavaScript. So I will just copy this CDN just after the title, paste it. So this is, we are importing the CDN for the CSS, so it has its own theme. We are including the CSS CDN, and similarly we need to do it for the JavaScript as well. So just after the body, include the CDN for the JavaScript part right here. So we are including the CDN for the JavaScript, and now in order to include the editor, we provide a div tag and provide an ID here and put it to editor. So we have given this ID here, editor. We will be loading this editor. So I will just provide some kind of HTML, a paragraph. Then I will again provide, this is another paragraph. And now we need to load the editor. So again, we'll be writing the JavaScript code right here and dynamically embedding this editor. So we will provide in this toolbar options. This will be an array. So which toolbar options you want to. So we will be embedding these options, which is able to have these toolbar options for changing the text to bold, italic, underline, strike through. So if you want to now embed this editor, you simply create an object of Quill, so Quill, and new Quill. This is actually the class here. We simply call this is your base class, and here you need to provide the reference of whatever ID that you have given. So we have provided this ID, so we are just giving this reference right here, ID symbol. That's why we're putting right here hash symbol followed by the ID, and then the second argument is an object right here, and here you need to specify the modules, so which module that you want to pass. So here you'll be specifying the toolbar, and here you're specifying the toolbar options that we are passing. So second option is the whichever theme that you want to load. So I will say snow. So now what happens if you reload this application? So we see 4 toolbar options being embedded. So this is your initial value. So here you can bold your text, italic, underline, strike through. So only 4 toolbar options are there. Now if you want to load all the options that Quill supports, you will add more options right here in the toolbar options. So let's suppose I also want the support for adding links and images. So I will say link, then image, then video, then formula. So one by one you will add these toolbar options. So if you refresh, you will now see these 4 options here. This is added. This is for the link here. You can add any link, external link. So now anyone click on that, they will be able to navigate to google.com. So then you can embed images as well. like this. So all these controls, one by one you can add this. So let me paste all these controls which are supported by Quill. So I will give this source code in the description of this video. So if you need the full source code, you can go to the description link. So if you refresh now, you will see all the toolbar options that it supports, and you can see that. So this is in this way you can directly integrate the Quill WYSIWYG rich text editor directly inside the browser using simple HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.